Hello and welcome to the Unit 1 overview. Just want to take a couple minutes and explain what's going on this week. First of all, you'll notice that the Unit 1 due date is March 23rd, which means you have until the 23rd at 11:55 p.m. to finish the assignments in this unit. First unit's rather small. We're just kind of getting started. I want to make sure everyone's comfortable with Canvas and using the technology. So of course, if you want to start off with the Canvas orientation, feel free to do so. That's kind of an assignment as a part of the first week of class. Also, you'll notice that we have an overview of getting started in Psych. We have the link to the tour of the course, so please go ahead and watch. This will give you kind of an overview of like where do I find the syllabus and all those questions you might have. We have an overview of Chapter 1, so please go ahead and read Chapter 1 out of our text. We have an icebreaker activity, which allows you to post a little bit about yourself, get to know your classmates. It's worth 5 points. Then we have Chapter 1 materials, just kind of an overview of what to expect, concepts related to Chapter 1, so like vocabulary. Then we have our Chapter 1 reading questions. So as you're reading Chapter 1, consider having the questions on paper right next to you so you can kind of answer as you go. Remember to provide those details like the page numbers of where you find specific quotes or statistics or anything that really relates to the questions. Those are worth a maximum of 10 points. And then you have Chapter 1 discussion, personal characteristics, and learning, which is worth 10 points as well. Once you've finished everything, and you've reviewed over the materials, it's a good idea to take the quiz. The quiz is a blend of multiple choice, short answer, some true or false. It's worth 24 points for this unit. You're allowed to use your notes. You're allowed to use your book. Please make sure that you type, a very detailed response as much as possible. I will let you know a couple things about quizzes in Canvas. First thing, once you submit your quiz, Canvas will automatically grade it. Now, if your response doesn't match what I have entered for my answer key, it's going to mark it wrong. So please do not panic. So after the quiz, if you get the score of like a 1 out of 24, that's not going to stay in the grade book. I'm going to go ahead and edit that score as soon as I get back to campus, and your grade will be updated. So please don't worry if that happens. Another thing I want to tell you about quizzes. I will provide the answer key after you submit. Please do not write my answers down, and on the next quiz, write my answers as your answers. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm just giving you the responses or the answers so that you can get a clearer picture of what the right answer is in case you were way off. Again, if I see you use my wording or my answers on any quizzes after the first one, obviously I'm going to take points off or give you a 0 because this is not an activity on copying and pasting or writing what I write. I want you to actually put your answers or what you think is the right answer and word it the way that is comfortable for your writing style. Again, so number 1, it's going to auto grade, don't panic. And number 2, after this first unit, please do not be tempted to just put my answers as your answers. Again, the unit's pretty short and sweet this time. We're just making sure that you get off to a good start. So please make sure you have everything in this unit completed by March 23rd. If you have any questions, please let me know.